Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix bad Bluetooth audio in Valorant. Let's begin. First, I want you to go over here, click on show hidden icons. Just right click on your sound icon, go to open sound settings or sound settings, all right? For Windows 11, scroll down until you see a section labeled more sound settings or sound options. For Windows 10, you can click on sound control panel. So make sure you are on the recording tab, right click on your selected device or wireless device, choose properties, go to properties again, change settings, go to driver, and over here, you just need to click on disable device. Now be cautious because if you're using your headphone microphone a lot, this will completely disable it so you can have the optimal settings for your Bluetooth device audio. So once you have successfully clicked on disable device, click on OK and you're done. That's it. It's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.